self-stomach massage for the upper tummy and the diaphragm. If somebody comes to me and says, Bruce, I want tight tummy exercises, well, I'll come straight back and tell them, you don't want tight tummy exercises. You're looking for something that will give you a nice looking tummy. The first thing is you're going to put a smile on your cheeks and find a nice posture. And you'll need a strong, flexible, relaxed, coordinated tummy. And we can achieve that with exercises and stretches and perhaps a bit of massage. So, tight tummies? No. All you get is stomach pain and backache. Regarding upper tight tummies, you'll get heartburn, acid reflux, and hiatus hernia. So you definitely don't want tight tummy exercises. We're going to look at self-stomach massage for upper abdomen and diaphragm. We want to stretch out the tummy. I'm going to do it on the right side here. Send the right leg away, lift the lumbar, and take these ribs and shoulder up and back. We've now got this under stretch, so the muscles are being pulled up towards my massage fingers and away from any delicate structures underneath. Now if I breathe in, I can lift these ribs, you can see that, and that's putting more stretch on these muscles. As long as they're stretched, they're up against my fingers and I'm not pushing on any delicate structures underneath. So we just use supported fingers. It might be a supported finger or thumb, 2 fingers, or 3 or 4 supported fingers. So I'm going to do the 2.5 to 3 centimeters right from the side up to the under the xiphoid process. A tight band and a knot, I press on that. I might just press for 5 to 20 seconds. Come on to another one. There's another one. And there's another one. This one's pushing a little bit of ache up into the chest. And again, just close up under the ribs here. There's another knot there. You're just checking the legs away, the lumbar's lifted, the ribs up and back. Now breathe in, send the ribs up a bit more. And that's really stretched out that muscle and brought it close to my fingers. Just pressing in there, gently breathing, but keeping the ribs up. Yeah, and we can just carry on. There's another knot there. Oh, that's a good one. And right up in the middle line now. Just again, leg away, lumbar, ribs up and back, and just repress in there. Get right in that delicate structured area. Oh, there's a spot there. That's sending an ache. Feels like grabbing around my heart. It's not severe, then quite manageable. And I can go the next line down from 2 centimeters under the ribs to a little bit lower. Same thing. Just as long as the lumbar's lifting, legs away, the ribs are lifting, muscles under stretch, it's going to be right there under my fingers. There's another spot there. Legs away, lumbar lift, ribs, let go. Yeah, oh, there's a good spot there. I should press on that for 20 seconds or so, perhaps after this video. Now, to actually get the diaphragm, we can actually take these supported fingers and push up under the ribs. And then if I just get in position, leg, lumbar, ribs lifting back, breathing in, and the diaphragm now comes down to my fingers. And I can put the supported fingers in and get in there, and there's a knot in the diaphragm there. Sends an ache up into about here. That's what these knots do. Pushing up under the ribs, breathe in, ribs lifting. There. And we can do the other side as well. I'll just go through the positioning again. Leg away, that's put a stretch on the tummy muscles. Lumbar up, the whole rib and shoulder up and back. And if we breathe in, we send the ribs up. And now that's under stretch, and we can do all that massage. All the way from the diaphragm, up under the ribs, to the level of the belt line or belly button. Quick note on what actually causes tight tummy. Too many gym or Pilates exercises, but also overexertion on the job, or perhaps carrying a heavy traveler's pack, or emotional stress, and emotional stress combined with chair sitting, and they're really bad. And just speaking to the emotional stress, if we're doing this massage, we should be thinking, oh, what's causing my emotional stress? And then as you're massaging, you think about relaxing and thinking about decoupling the tight tummies from that emotional stress. This is very powerful. It's very, very easy. It will feel a little weird, the pain and aches that get pushed up into your chest, but you could be saying goodbye to 30 years of heartburn, hiatus hernia, something really worth looking at. Enjoy.